Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet knotted fringe. I really love this. You can use this for your crochet table runners, for your tablecloths. Also it is beautiful for crochet bed covers. You can also use this for beach pareos, beach kimonos, also beautiful for scarves, shawls. I really love this knotted fringe. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. For this project, I am going to use this kind of small part. Of course, you can make this knotted fringe at the edges of your scarf, shawls, beach pareos, and the edges of beach dresses. Anything you can imagine, you can do this. In order you can see well, I will use a different color, a darker color. Like this, you can see well when I make the video. I will use a hook 3 millimeters. Here, the size of the hook not so important. It can be 3.5, 4 millimeters, 2.5. It's no matter. And we need a cardboard like this. It can be small. It's no matter. It is a bit big. It is about 20 centimeters. Of course, the size of the cardboard will depend on how long you want to make this knotted fringe. But this is here 20 centimeters. I'm going to use for this project. We are starting by wrapping the yarn around the cardboard like this. Let me show you. Like this we are doing firstly. The edge will be a bit longer. It's no matter. When we finish the fringe we will cut it for correcting. One moment. This is one time wrapping. This is second time wrapping. This is third time wrapping, and this is fourth time wrapping. I will wrap this 4 times. 4 times is okay for this. I am cutting at the edge. I am also cutting from here. Let me show you. We are cutting also in the edge like this, and I am keeping here. It's been like this, dear friends. Let me show you. It's been like this. Now I will show you how we are going to add this fringe to the crochet. This is the front side. This is the back side. I am putting like this, and the edges will be equal to each other. I am taking the hook and inserting through the first space from back side to front, taking this one like this, and I am pulling up like this. Later on you see the space. I will pull through all the other yarn ends through this space. One moment, like this, and I am pulling tightly. You see? Like this. Since we are going to make knotted fringe, I am going to leave some space. 1, 2 spaces I am skipping, and I will make another through the 4th space. Let me show you closely. Here we made the first fringe through the first space. Since we are going to knot, we need some spaces in order to shape the knotted fringe very beautiful. For this reason, this one and this one I am skipping, and the 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 4th. 4th one I am going to make another fringe. For this reason, first of all, I am taking the cardboard in my hand. I am going on making 4 times wrapping. This is 1 time wrapping, 2nd time wrapping, 3rd time wrapping, and 4th time wrapping. And I am cutting like this. One moment, it should be like this. And from the other edge here, I am cutting all the others. Okay. Here I am keeping from the top. It's been like this. I am taking my hook in my hand and 1, 2 space I am skipping, inserting my hook through the third one, I mean fourth one. 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth space. From back to front I insert my hook. I am taking this fringe like this. I am pulling and making a space, and I will make pull through the rest of the fringe through the spaces like this. Now I am pulling tightly. Yes, it's been like this, dear friends. I'm going to make another one. 1, 2 space we are skipping, inserting our hook through the third one. If we count from the last fringe, 1, 2, 3, 4 space like this, we are going to make another one. I am taking the board in my hand and 4 times wrapping. 1 time wrapping, 2nd time wrapping, 3rd time wrapping, and 4th time wrapping. Cutting and cutting from this edge like this. I'm taking it from top. Look, 1, 2 space I'm skipping, inserting my hook through the third one like this. 1, 2, I'm skipping from back to front. I'm inserting my hook, and this is this place is the top of the fringe. It's like this. Okay, and I have a space here. I will make pull through the rest of the fringe through this space and pulling. Okay, dear friends, like this we are completing all this side with fringes. I added fringes till the end of the crochet in order to make some spaces between each spaces. Here I skipped 3 spaces, made this one in the 4th one, and made 3 again, insert this in the 4th one. Here it is not a must to add the fringe in the 3rd space. The important thing here is just you should leave some spaces between each 2 fringes like this. There are spaces, you know. Now we are going to start making knots. When we count each fringe, there are 8 pieces of thread here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since we wrapped 4 times, each one has 8 threads, and I am leaving 4 threads. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. I am going to use the rest 4 threads, and I am coming to this one. This is also with 8 threads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am leaving the rest for 1, and here this one with 4 threads, this one with 4 threads. I am going to make knots between these threads. I am arranging it with my fingers. It is like this. It's nice like this. Of course, that depends on you. If you want it long, you can make it from here, but according to me, it is okay for me. It's about 2 centimeters. And look, like this. I am making a knot, and now I am pulling it to the upper side. Okay, look, we made the first knot. We separated 4 threads before, and I am going to the following fringe, and I am separating 4 threads as well. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 pieces of thread to the left side, 4 pieces of thread to the right side. I am separating like this, and taking the rest of the fringe for the second one. they will be in the same level, like this here, like this. For this reason, making a knot and pulling it to the upper side. Okay, pulling. As you see, it started to take a knotted shape, and this is the rest of the 4 thread regarding the 3rd fringe, and I am coming to the 4th fringe. I am separating 4 threads. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. I am leaving the 4 threads to the right side, and I'm going to use these 4 threads. This is the rest of the 4 threads regarding 3rd fringe. From now on, it will always going on in the same way. I am pulling like this. It should be in the same level, keeping this level, and first of all, I am making a knot, and I am going to pull this to the upper till I come to the same level with the other knots. Okay, it's been like this. I hope I could explain to you well, dear friends. Like this, we are finishing this round. I knotted all this side. Now I will go on knotting. You will remember we didn't use the 4 threads of the first fringe. This time I will use it, and here I am separating 4 threads. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 threads we are separating, and I am taking the first 4 threads. This time I will knot like this. We are deciding the length of the spaces between the knots, how we like it. I am separating about 2 centimeters. It is okay for me, but if you want it, you can make it longer or shorter. This is completely how you like it. Here there are 4 threads. I am coming here, and 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 threads I am separating, taking one moment, let me take this one. 4 pieces separating like this. 4 I'm taking. This time I will tie these 4 pieces. I'm taking like this. It should be in the same level with this knot. I am keeping with my finger like this. It should be in the same level because, and I'm making like this, and I will knot like this. I am taking the rest of the 4 threads. I am going to the other fringe. 1, 2, 3, 4 threads I am taking, leaving the 4 threads like this, and I'm keeping like this, and I will make a knot in the same level with these 2 knots. I am pulling it upper like this. I am taking this 4 one, and I am taking 4 threads from the other fringe. 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. I am taking the rest. I'm leaving the rest 4 threads, and with these two pieces of 4 threads. I'm going to make knot like this. I am being careful, it should be in the same level. For this reason, with my fingers I am being sure the same level with this one, and like this, making a knot, and I am pulling like this. It should be tight. Okay. Yes, dear friends, like this we are finishing till the end. Yes, dear friends, I came to the end of this round. When you need a charming, attractive fringe for your scarves, for your cardigans, beach pareos, beach kimonos, you can make this kind of knotted fringes. I really love these knotted fringes. It is also beautiful to make table runner, table cloths. It's also nice. If you have longer fringe, of course you can go on one more knotted, but mine is not so long. For this reason I will cut here. If you want to go on, you know what you are going to do. You are going to separate 4 threads to the left side, you are going to take the 4 to the right side, and you are going to the other one, taking 4 threads as well, and you are tying it in the same way how we tie it here. But my fringes are not so long. For this reason I am cutting it here. Now we need to cut the edges in the same level. I'm taking a sharp scissors in my hand and cutting the edges. Yes, I cut it the levels. If you can cut better, of course you can cut more neatly, but that's okay for me. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this knotted fringe technique. I really love this, especially beautiful for the table runners, tablecloths, beach pareos, beach dresses. I really love it. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.